Hello everyone. Thank you for your visiting to YouTube ClassNK channel. I'm Yoshimi Sasaki from the Digital Transformation Center of ClassNK. In this video, I will introduce our new certification service scheme, Innovation Endorsement. With the development of information technology, attempts to share and utilize data from the ship have already begun, and many innovative technologies have emerged. Proactively providing the certification service for these innovations, in addition to our current classification service, ClassNK will support the preservation of maritime environment, further improve safety at sea, and support the sustainable development referred to in the SDGs. In this video, I will introduce the background, goals, and the outline of the innovation endorsement. And I will also introduce services offered under the innovation endorsement. I also want to use advanced technology to start certifying advanced and innovative technologies. So I will move on to the next slide with AI voice. Let's start.
First, we will introduce the background and purpose of the innovation endorsement. ClassNK has released ClassNK Digital Grand Design 2030 in February of 2020, which describes the services and roles that ClassNK should provide to the maritime industry based on a hypothesis of digital society's future in 2030. In this grand design, we have targeted the three fundamental business pillars. First is advanced surveys. Second is creating a progressive business environment. And third is third-party certification, evaluation, and rating. Due to time constraints, we won't be introducing this digital grand design in detail in this video. You may see the introduction video on ClassNK channel on YouTube. The innovation endorsement is a part of the third pillar, third-party certification and evaluation on the digital grand design. With the development of information technology, attempts to share and utilize data from ships have already begun in the maritime industry, and many innovative technologies and solutions have been implemented. There have been requests for certification of these innovative technologies and the ships that use them. One of the key roles of the classification societies will be to actively develop certification services for these innovations and the ships adopting these technologies. We will be promoting innovative technologies and their development to improve environmental protection and safety at sea further and support sustainable development as represented by the SDGs. Therefore, we have launched Innovation Endorsement, a comprehensive certification service focused on innovative technologies. The Innovation Endorsement is a general term, and it contains three certification services. First is for ships with innovative technologies. Second is a certification service for innovative products and solutions such as software or equipment itself. Third is certification to providers who provide innovative products and solutions. As a classification society, we have been providing approval and certification services based on its rules and guidelines for technologies that have been proven for many years or are an extension of those technologies. Today, with the digital revolution's progress, rapid technological innovation is taking place to comply with the SDGs and ESGs. At the same time, we are required to establish evaluation criteria, approve and certify new services in line with these innovations. Therefore, to provide services that cover both aspects, our policy focuses on speed and establishing evaluation criteria in collaboration with the front runners. Now, let's look at the three individual certification services. First, we would like to introduce Digital Smart Ship Notation, which certifies ships using innovative technology for advanced initiatives. The new class notation Digital Smart Ship, DSS, will be affixed to the ship's classification characters. The DSS notation is a framework to indicate ships' facilities and functions that have adopted innovative technologies. This service is intended to support the implementation of innovative technologies and improve the vessel's added value. Multiple DSS notations can be affixed. To affix the DSS notation, plan approval, registration survey, and the periodical survey will be required. This DSS notation is a classification notation, but it is not a condition of class maintenance such as the environment notation. If some of the advanced initiatives are not maintained, the related DSS notation will be modified or deleted. Besides, just as autonomous vessels are categorized into various autonomy levels, we consider multiple functional levels of innovative technologies. We plan to classify the notation levels based on the functionality of the innovative technology in the future. We have released the Smart Ship guidelines related to this notation in August 2020. The figure shows the sample of onboard equipment to which the DSS notation can be affixed. In addition to data loggers already installed on board, DSS notation can be affixed if the system is equipped with functional applications such as anomaly detection, whose functionality has been dramatically improved by innovative technologies. These are the 6 items currently used to assign a symbol with DSS notation. For example, suppose a ship is equipped with a function that analyzes its operational data and optimizes fuel consumption for the next voyage using these results. In that case, DSSEE notation will be given. The example of an actual notation is shown in the middle of this slide, in which DSS notation is affixed to the classification characters NS*. Additional items, such as remote survey compliance and cargo monitoring and control, are already being considered, as shown in the lower part of this slide. These items will be expanded flexibly according to the customer's needs and industry situations. We would like to introduce the second certification service, Products and Solutions Certification. This service is to certify and issue certificates for advanced products and systems that use digital technology. The purpose of this service is to promote the spread and further development of superior products and solutions. As a first step, we will issue certificates for products that utilize advanced digital technology for which development companies require certification from a third-party organization, after confirming their technical validity and safety by using the Classification Society's expertise over the years. Besides, when the certification works and know-how for similar solutions, such as machinery condition monitoring solutions, are accumulated, we plan to develop guidelines to clarify and publish more specific evaluation criteria and procedures to increase certification transparency. Once the guidelines have been established, we will proceed with the certification of products and solutions based on the guidelines. The third certification service we are considering is Providers Certification. This service will certify and issue certificates for development procedures and maintenance systems followed by companies that provide services to ships and develop products. This service aims to promote the expansion or spread and further develop useful products and solutions and provide a guideline for selecting products and solutions. Although still in the conceptual stage, we consider checking and evaluating providers' procedures such as ISO 25010, the standard for quality requirements for system and software products. We have introduced 3 services for innovation endorsement: ships, products and solutions, and providers. Regardless of our customers working with innovative technologies and methodologies, we would like to certify the results of their efforts. We are considering certifying, for example, what percentage of fuel savings are achieved, the extent to which the downtime has been reduced by monitoring through the operation of innovative technologies, and certifying a company's ESG initiatives required by green bonds. These efforts need to be indexed based on various evaluation factors, and we will need to consult with the industry on how to index them in the future. In this way, innovation endorsement will work with the front-runners to speedily and proactively certify initiatives related to innovative technologies and develop and grow our services from the customer's perspective.
That's all of our presentation. If you have any inquiries or comments about this innovation endorsement, please do not hesitate to contact the Digital Transformation Center of ClassNK. ClassNK will contribute to the sustainable evolution of ocean-related business by current classification service and supporting innovative technology through innovation endorsement. Thanks again for your watching. Goodbye.